So good morning on and all. Today we are going to deal with the data communication model, that is the basic data communication model that occurs in a computer network. And we all know that there should be a model for transmitting data from one end to another, that is the transfer of data or information from one source to a receiver. It should follow a particular model, and the source will transmit the data and the receiver will receive the data. And the purpose of data communication is to provide the rules and regulations that allow computers with different disk operating systems, languages, cabling and locations to share resources. And the rules and regulations are called protocols and the standards and data communication. So this is the general or the simplified communication model diagram. So here we can see that this is one system which will act as a source system, and this is the another system which will act as a destination system, and the source will transmit the data through a transmission system. The receiver will receive it from the transmission system to the destination. So the receiver and the destination will form the destination system, and the source and the transmitter will form the source system. So this is the general block diagram, and this is an example of a communication model where we have a workstation, and through the workstation we will be connecting to a public telephone network PSTN through a modem. So we will be transmitting data with the help of PSTN to a server which will be residing in some other remote places. So this network will be transmitting the data to the modem, and modem in turn will transmit the data to the server. And then now we can see each in detail. So we know that we have a source, and what is the role of a source? And the source is the one which generates the data that will pass it from one destination using the network, and without any request the source never pass the data to the destination. So if a source is passing the data, means what? The destination is requesting for the data by using some query languages. And the next is called the transmitter. And what is a transmitter? Transmitter is a device which is actually used to convert the data as per the destination requirement. It will receive the data and transmit it as per the destination or as per the receiver. For example, if we consider a modem, so we know that the purpose of a modem is to transmit the analog signal to the digital signal, that is the telephonic signal to the computer signals, and alternatively from the digital to analog also is done with the help of modem. So this is an example of a transmitter where the modem is an example which will convert the analog signal to digital. So the receiver, according to the receiver requirement, it will be converting it into digital signals. And then we have transmission system. So here in this figure we have seen a transmission system. So what do you mean by a transmission system? To transmit the data on different connected systems, we use a transmission system, and this transmission system means the physical transfer of data over point to point or point to multi-point communication channel. Examples of such channels of such transmission systems are copper wires, optical fibers. When wireless communication channel can act as a transmission system. So transmission system will transmit the data from one end to another. Then we have a receiver side, and this receiver, it receives the signals from the transmission system and converts it into a form that is suitable to the destination device. So it is the one which actually convert the data received from the transmission system to the receiver in the form acceptable by the receiver. And for example, a modem accepts the analog signal from a transmission channel and transforms it into digital streams which is acceptable by the computer system. So this is another simplified data communication model example. So here we have a source, and the source will be having a text which is the input information. So that usually will be the source. The computer will be storing the data in the digital stream, so that will be given as input into the transmitter. So input data which can be represented as G of T. So here we can see that it is a digital data. So what does transmitter do? Transmitter will convert the data from the source into a form that can be transmitted across the transmission system. So we all know that the communication through the wires are usually done in the form of analog signals. So the digital stream bits are transmitted into analog signal by the transmitter, and the transmitted analog signal is then transmitted through the transmission system, and that is received at the receiver side. So the signal will be received at the receiver side in the form of analog signal, but we need to get the output in a computer or in a digital device. So again this analog signal should be converted back to a digital bit stream. So that is actually done by the receiver according to the requirement of the destination. What is the requirement of the destination here? The requirement of the destination is the output should be in the format of text. So that conversion from the analog signal to digital bit stream is done by the receiver. So this is the overall simplified data communication model. So every connection or every data transmitting nodes between two nodes in a computer network will follow this simplified digital data communication model. Thank you.